Hi, this video will tell you about a workshop for NMAT. I've scored rank 1 in NMAT twice, so fairly comfortable with the examination. I've also scored the highest in NMAT ever, 320 out of 360. So, know how to go about cracking the examination, the methods, techniques that are required. So, basically, this workshop is specifically for NMAT. So, the NMAT online workshop, the fees is 900. If you want a workshop plus mocks plus videos, the fees is 5700. You can contact us at 9821314788. Now, what the workshop contains? It's around 10 to 15 sessions of 1.5 hours each. Methods, shortcuts, how to solve things faster. It will be based on all areas: con, DI, verbal reasoning, logic, verbal. So there will be approaches, because NMAT is a specific type of question that comes. So we look at the approaches of solving those questions. Also, strategy of writing NMAT more. So what is the right strategy if I want to really crack the NMAT? And sessions will be conducted by me and Roshana. So we will be conducting as such. It will be conducted on weekdays post 8 p.m. right? So starting around end of September approximately. Okay. If you're interested, you can contact us. You can go to our website portal and enroll for ourselves. We'll come up with videos for NMAT, SNAP, etc. It will help you with regards to preparation. If you're really interested, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.